Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and I am here to do the draw for my secret giveaway that I had on the video with Thumbelina in it. Now there was 46 things, when I say things, comments, but some people did more than one comment, so I'm just going to put in 40 and I will generate that. And number 4, so I've got to go back here to the video. This is the video that I did it on. And the person who is number 4 is 2, 3, 4, Amy, John, who is Amy. Amy, you have won this. My goodness me, isn't that lucky for you, lady? You watched it all the way through. So thank you very much, Amy, and thank you to everybody else that commented and for watching me all the way through when I did this video. And I'm sorry I haven't been back on there for a while, but I've not been well enough, and I'm going to get back soon because I'm fighting this thing, I'm fighting this thing. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching. Got to go let the cat in now. He's glutton at the door. Yeah, I'll be back as soon as I can. I'm really missing being on here. Okay? So thank you, Amy, and I will get that parcel off to you ASAP. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.